Ever enter a trade too late or in the wrong direction? What if you could spot reversal zones with precise buy-sell arrows and catch the next big swing early? Today I'm breaking down a clear reversal strategy that gives you actionable entries and exits without guessing. This strategy combines three powerful tools for smarter entries: buy-sell signal arrows, automatic arrows marking potential reversals, Lucky Reversal Indicator, highlights strong rejection zones, trend filter, optional, helps you trade with the market direction. Here's how to trade it. Buy setup. First, confirm price is in an overall uptrend. On higher time frames like H1 or H4, this gives cleaner setups. Then look for price to pull into a support or reversal zone. When a green buy arrow appears along with a lucky reversal signal at that zone, that's your cue to enter buy. Place your stop loss below the recent swing low or just under the reversal zone for safety. For take profit, target the next resistance level or trail your stop as price climbs. Sell setup. Confirm price is in a downtrend. This aligns your trade with the dominant direction. Wait for price to retrace into a resistance or reversal area. When a red sell arrow appears together with a lucky reversal signal at that area, enter sell. Put your stop loss above the recent swing high or above the reversal zone. Target the next support or close part of your trade at logical levels while trailing the rest. Don't trade just because you see an arrow. Pair the signal with key levels and confirmation from the lucky reversal. And always size your position so you're risking no more than 1 to 2% of your account on any trade. This strategy helps you catch real reversals with clear signals and defined risk. Visit forexmt4indicators.com to download the free indicators and start testing this reversal setup on your charts today.